This dog acts asleep with his little owner when someone come.
Everything okay in here?
I think he got rage baited himself. And I think this is the dog that got rage baited when he was a little. Instead of fighting other dogs, this dog is unique. Instead, he blessed other dogs. This cute golden retriever thinks that his reflection is his friend's. This dog bonding with this baby like the baby teaching the dog how to bark.